students. Now, we are in the 13th week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. This is the last week of this course. In this week, we have a total of 2 modules. The first module of this week, that is module number 39, is on mechanical biological treatment of municipal solid waste, and second module, that is the 40th module and the last module of this MOOC course, is on recent advances in solid waste management. In first module, that is on mechanical biological treatment of municipal solid waste, we are going to study about the concept and aim of mechanical biological treatment. As the name is indicating, mechanical biological treatment is generally used for the mixed waste, and this type of system is having 2 components. First component is a mechanical component that is used for the segregation of the waste, and recyclable materials are recovered in the mechanical part, and second part is a biological treatment where the biodegradable waste is converted into some compost or biogas, etc. The second thing that we will study in this module is MBT process, means mechanical biological treatment process. Then we will study MBT outputs, and finally, this module will end with the discussion on merits and demerits of mechanical biological treatment process. In next module, that is module number 40 on recent advances in solid waste management, we will study about the recent advancement, recent research that has occurred in the field of solid waste management in recent times. You know, research is a continuous process. Different laboratories all over the world are working on the solid waste management methods. So, in this we will study different components, that how to do the waste collection, what new methods have come for the waste collection, what advancements have come in the treatment methods, what advancements have come in the disposal of waste management. And with this module, this MOOC course will end. Thank you.